Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can share, you can search animated GIF files in your browser. Here we go. All you have to do now, you can open giphy.com. So this is the portal or American online database and search engine that allows users to search for and share animated GIF files, so graphic interchange format. Here we go. So you can search all the GIFs in this search filter, and for example, in order to share and download, you can click one of the GIF and you can copy this link and here copy to clipboard, so it means it's already copied, and you can pass into your social media or into your chat app, for example. And here we go. And in order to download, you can just simply click download button. Don't forget to log in with your Facebook or log in with your Apple account. If you don't have one, you can try to sign up, create a new account. So for example, search all, let's start with the anime, and here we go. This is the anime GIFs file that you can share and download. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.